Hi guys! This is Kimberly.
This is Ruby.
And today we are going to be making a video on how I make my salads because you'll want to know. So we're going to start with the basic ingredients. We have some tuna, tomato, some fruits, the salad, the basics. Tomatoes! They're already washed and they're the baby tomatoes, and these are really good for your skin and help with wrinkles. So yeah, we're trying to keep that glowing young skin, even though I am a youngin', doesn't matter. Anyways, these are baby tomatoes and I really like them. Here's the tuna. We like tuna, and this is Wild Planet. I like this because it has little to no sodium. Radishes. I particularly don't really like these, but I'm gonna put them in my salad because why not? Blueberries! We like to incorporate, well, I like to incorporate fruits in my salad because they taste really yummy and it gives like a different variation of sweetness into them. And yeah, blueberries are my go-to. Here we have some veggies. Yeah, not a big fan, but here's some asparagus. I used to like these actually when I was really small, but not anymore. And broccoli I've never liked, but we're going to incorporate vegetables because greens are good for the body. Pumpkin seeds. I really like seeds in my salads because again it gives it more flavor, and these specifically don't have any sodium, which is always a plus. And now here's the salad. I'm obviously not gonna eat this much, but it is a lot, and salads actually, believe it or not, fill me up a lot, especially with the rest of the ingredients I have showed. Okay, this is the bowl I will be using. It is very big, and so basically hands washed and everything, I'm gonna take a handful of salad and pump it in. That's obviously still not enough, so I'm gonna keep going. This is a lot. So I'm going to just break apart the asparagus to make it easier for me to eat. I'm gonna try and split these. Yep. Seeds. I'm just gonna take a handful. Bam, and then just sprinkle it. So, I will be putting in my radishes and tomatoes. Bam, and radishes. And then blueberries. I love blueberries. And you guys can incorporate any other thing, any other fruit you want. Okay, and then tuna. So I'm gonna put all this in. Right now I'm gonna put balsamic vinegar. And it's new. So we're gonna dab some of it on. I think that is enough. And we are going to close it. And now we will mix with our utensils. So everything will be spread out evenly, or we hope it is. But yes, hopefully this is well mixed. And if not, you can keep mixing. But that is how I make my salads, and I'm going to go enjoy eating this because I'm very hungry right now. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.
If you guys enjoyed, please like and subscribe and hit that bell while you're at it so you can be the first one to watch your new videos. Well, this is Ruby talking. I hope you have a good day and I hope to see you in our next video. Bye!